little stupid American. You are now going to die. Says who? Says me. Your gunfire team may have escaped me once, but I can assure you, it won't do it again. Those gunshots were my men killing them. Wait a minute, what's that sound? It's the extraction chopper! Oh, poopy. Come on! Everyone down the hill! The chopper! Where the heck are you going? Oh, I don't know. Closing out on a hill? Oh, it's good. It's a good thing you got here. We're in to clear area for evacuation. Come on, move, move, move. All right, everyone on board the chopper. Go. Kidding. Nice job, man. Nice job. We should have done it. Is it still going? Call of Duty 6. The next mission will be coming out next year. No, okay. The next mission will be coming out when we feel like making it. Let us know what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you for viewing Call of Duty 6, whatever. Be there when the next episode comes. Ah!